as far as the economy is concerned. So they regarded crop as the combined labor of the village rather than of the labor of the individuals. I think this is the typical characteristics of a tribal society. It's not that lands is divided among individuals or individual properties, but it's a collective kind of effort they do and produce the agricultural crops, and they share among the all family members. So therefore, it's a combined labor of the entire village or entire community rather than the labor of the individuals. If one suffers, all suffers. That is the philosophy they have. If one suffers, all suffers, and all combine to support the world and needy, and to help each fellow villagers to get through heaviest part of the yearly round. That means when these groups they are engaged in activities, they do in a combined manner, and they're supposed to come to the rescue of each other in time of crisis and in time of difficulties. I think that is called a level of social solidarity, and a strong organic kind of solidarity you can see. I can't say it's organic solidarity, but if you use the mild difference connotations, the strong mechanical solidarity that exists among these communities. So they are self-sufficient as far as their economy is concerned, and they do not obtain most of the things, or they don't obtain many things from outside sources, but specifically the cloths, the iron implements, earthenwares, brass pots, ornaments, salt, etc. they used to collect from the local market. So weekly markets are there in tribal areas, and these weekly markets are the place where you can see that the tribes also, whatever surplus agricultural products they have, they used to also bring to this particular market, and they largely it was a barter kind of economy, which you can see. But weekly market concept is very much there. I think this is one point of coming together of different communities. That means weekly marketplaces where tribes are the sellers, others are also the sellers, tribes are the buyers, and others are also the buyers. I think this is a meeting point for these tribes with other local people through this market. Market is a meeting point. Market is the sources of change you can see.